Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo N61 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So to forcefully power off your device, you need to use the combination of keys. It is especially useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can do it just by pressing the power button, which is located on the right side of your device, and volume up button together, and wait until you see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together. As you can see, we've got this restart option here, but let's pretend that the touch screen does not work. So keep pressing the buttons all the time simultaneously. Okay, we've got the black screen, which is a really good sign. I felt the vibration, we can see the developer's logo, so we can release the fingers and basically our device will be turned on in a second. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.